This video I'm going to talk to you about equivalence fractions. Okay, so what this is saying is a half. That's the same as 50 over 100. Well, that's the same as 3 over 6. That's the same as 5 over 10. So all these are equivalent. They're all the same, just written differently. Okay. If you look at something like this, let's say you've got let's say you've got a quarter. A quarter means one whole thing divided into 4 equal pieces. So you've got one whole thing here, and then you divide it into 4 equal pieces. So our quarter is this bit here. Okay. Let's divide each quadrant into 3 equal pieces. 3 equal pieces, 3 equal pieces, 3 equal pieces. Okay, so altogether we have 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this slice here is 1 over 12. Okay, but now if you look at 3 over 12, so 1 over 12 here, 2 over 12, 3 over 12. If you look at 3 over 12, it's this piece here, isn't it? This massive piece here. So 3 over 12, 3 over 12 is actually a quarter. Can you see that? It's actually a quarter. So what we're saying is 3 over 12 is the same as a quarter. It's exactly the same, but just written differently. Okay. So let's give you another example here. Let's say a half here. Let's look at a half. A half means one whole thing divided by 2. Okay. Now I'm going to divide each half into, let's say, 4 pieces. So here, here, here. Okay. So 4 pieces here. So half here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 over on this side, and this half you've got 4 pieces. Well, this slice here is 1 over 8, isn't it? Now, if I take 4 pieces, which is 4 over 8, 4 over 8, that means, well, 1 over 8, 1 over 8 here, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, 4 over 8. Well, 4 over 8 is this piece here, this massive piece here, which is in effect a half, isn't it? So that's a half. So when someone says 4 over 8, that's the same as a half. So when someone says 4 over 8, you can actually divide top and bottom by 4. Can you see that? So what I'm saying is that when someone gives you a fraction, you can divide top and bottom by the same number. You're allowed to do that. So 4 divided by 4, that's 1. Because 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4, that's 2. Okay. Let's look at this one here. Let's say 3 over 9. Well, instead of writing 3 over 9, you can divide. If you can find a number where both the 3 and the 9 divides, basically you can divide top by 3, bottom by 3. Okay. So 3 divided by 3, that's 1. Okay, and 9 divided by 3, that's 3. So 3 over 9, that's the same as a third. We prefer a third because it's simpler and neater. Okay, let's give you this one here. Let's say 4 over 16, say. Okay, so this fraction here, that's the same as saying, well, I'm going to divide top and bottom by 4. Okay, so 4 here divided by 4, that's 1. Now 16 here divided by 4, that's, well, 4 over 16 is a quarter. Okay, let's give you this one here. Let's give you let's say hang on, 6 over 10. Okay, so Can you think of a number where, well, you can only divide top and bottom by the same number. I'm going to divide it by 2 because I know this is even number and an even number, so I can divide top and bottom by 2. Whenever you have an even number at the top and an even number at the bottom, you can divide it by 2 for sure. So let's say 6 divided by 2, that's 3, and 10 divided by 2 here, that's 5. So 6 over 10, that's the same as 3 over 5. Alright? So if someone gives you something like, let's say 9 over 30, what is that? Well, think of a number that both 9 and 30. Well, basically, you can divide top and bottom by the same number. Which number do you want to choose? Well, I've done this for a long time, so I know it's 3. So 9 divided by 3, that's 3 here. Okay. 30 divided by 3, that's 10. So basically, I'm saying that this is the same as this. It's just this fraction here is a lot better and neater, so we prefer to use this one. Okay. So remember, if you have a fraction, let's say a over b, you're allowed to divide top and bottom by the same number. Okay, you're allowed to divide top and bottom by the same number. And what you get over here would be the same as this, but just written differently. But we prefer this simpler version, whatever it is. Okay.